Good evening. At least 4 people are dead and many more are missing after Taiwan was struck by its most powerful earthquake in 25 years. The tremor caused buildings to collapse, cutting off power to thousands and putting multiple countries on tsunami alert.
At 7:58 local time, Taiwan was shaken awake. Books sent flying from their shelves. Peak hour traffic grinding to a halt. And breakfast television interrupted. The 7.4 magnitude quake was the strongest in a quarter of a century. The epicentre, approximately 18 kilometres south of Hualien City, where more than 20 buildings collapsed. Onlookers speechless as this building teetered precariously. A cherry picker quickly wheeled in to try and get residents out. The first floor of this apartment block crumpled. Neighbours helped children to escape from the floors above. Taiwan is used to being rocked by earthquakes. It sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire. Train services across the island, home to 23 million people, were suspended. A series of aftershocks reached as high as magnitude 6.4. Landslides injured at least 9 and triggered terrifying scenes. Major roads enveloped in a plume of thick dust. The quake was felt as far as Shanghai and prompted the familiar drone of the tsunami warning system in Japan and the Philippines, a threat which thankfully passed. Alison Petrowski, 9 News.